combinations and permutations. These two help you to know what are the number of possible combinations in a given set. The difference between a combination and a permutation is that the combination is when the numbers or elements in a sample space can be divided randomly, and in the permutation, the order does matter.
We will begin explaining combination. This is the notation of the calculator. As you can see here, you have to do shift and then combination. The N represents the total of data and the R represents the number in which the data is divided. The same here in permutation, which is the same with shift and this one. And the N as well represents the total of data and R the number in which the data is divided. Otherwise, you can do it by hand with this formula: N factorial divided by R factorial times N minus R factorial in combination, and the formula of permutation, which is N factorial divided by N minus R factorial.
The meaning of factorial in this formula, which is this symbol right here, is that if you have, for example, the number 35 factorial, you'd have to take into account 35, 34, 33, and so on until you get to 1. This means you have to take into account the set that goes from the chosen number up to 1.
Here we have an example of a problem that can be solved with the combination and permutation formulas. In a group of 20 students, the teacher is making teams of 4 each. What are the possible number of combinations if the members are chosen randomly? And what are the possible number of combinations if they will have an assigned role? The president, secretary, and assistant. This problem will be solved with combination because the members of the team will be chosen randomly. And in this one, the order in which the members of the team are chosen is important. So this will be solved with permutation.
So what we can see is that in the first question, we have to use combination because the order doesn't matter. Whereas in the second question, the order does matter, so we're going to use permutation. In the first question, since we have 20 students and we're going to make teams of 4, we would do 20 students combination of 4 in each group. So if we put this in the calculator, it would give us 20 combination 4, which is 4,845. And in the second one, since we have roles and the order does matter, we're going to use a permutation. So we're going to do the same thing, but instead of combination, we're going to use permutation. If we put it in the calculator, it'll give us 20 permutation 4, which is if we were to solve this problem substituting the formula instead of putting it in the calculator, we would have to use 20 as M and 4 as R. So when we substitute it, it would give us 20 factorial 4 factorial 20 minus 4 factorial, which is equal to and then when we plot it in the calculator, it would give us the same answer. And for the permutation, we would do the exact same thing, but with the formula for permutation. And it would give us these answers.